The price of gold has gone off a cliff today, falling under 1300, completing a descending triangle and continuing to trend lower. Look at this big breakdown for gold today. It had a huge recovery through the first part of this year, but over the course of the summer, we've seen steadily lower highs above this Fibonacci cluster here between 1290 and 1300, and we had a descending triangle forming. We've also had a downtrend here in the RSI showing momentum rolling over. Today, however, we've seen a real breakdown for the gold price. Taking out 1300, the selling has accelerated. Gold is now testing this old Fibonacci level here around 1282. Next potential for support for gold is in this 1250 to 1260 area. We've got the 200-day moving average and this Fibonacci level here, a 38.2% retracement of the previous advance. The 23% retracement gave way today. We also see here downward momentum and downward pressure accelerating. It is getting close to oversold, but this could potentially get more oversold depending on what happens. There's a few things that seem to be knocking gold down today. One is a general rally in the U.S. dollar is putting pressure on a number of currencies, not just gold, but sterling has also been breaking down today, as well as the yen. We're also seeing here if we look at the minute chart here, you can see how it was hanging around 1310, and then support just gave way, and once it kind of breached 1300 here, then the bottom really fell out. It's now stabilizing in the 1280 to 1285 area. The other thing that could be dragging on gold is a possibility that jewelry demand this year for Indian wedding season could be a lot softer, with gold up almost 30% off of where it was trading this time a year ago. Also, we have an easing of concerns in the financial markets. It seems as though people aren't as worried about Brexit, people aren't as worried about Deutsche Bank, and when the financial concerns fade, that could also be dragging on gold and other defensive plays. So we've had a major trend change for gold today, and it does look like it's starting to break down. Key thing to watch now is, does it remain below 1300? Does this 1300 now become resistance? If so, it could be the signal of a significant downward movement for gold in the coming weeks.